Hello children, welcome to Mathspedia, a maths learning hub. Mathspedia में आपका स्वागत है। हमने पिछले दो वीडियो में नंबर्स क्लास 5th के नंबर्स सीखे हैं. So this is our third session today and let's have a look at what we have learned so far. Right? We have learned large numbers like up to 10 crore, right? Then their number names, standard and expanded forms of numbers, their face values and place values, how to write numbers in Indian and international number system. And today's our topic is predecessor and successor. So let's begin. Predecessor and successor. So to know predecessor and successor, we should first know the meanings of predecessor and successor. In that also, if you break the word predecessor, let's say if I take only pre, what does pre mean? And if I say success, what does success mean? Right? Okay, before that, let me ask you one question. Say for example, I am writing alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and so on, right? If I ask you, where is B placed? B, letter B, B for bat. So your answer will be between A and C, right? It is in between A and C. Similarly, C is in between D and B. But what is before B? It is A. And what is after B? Because it is in between, no? A and C. So C is after B. Clear? Because it is in between. Similarly, if I ask you, what is before F? You will say it is E. And what is after G? G. You will say H. Clear? So this is what is the meaning of predecessor and successor. Pre means before, right? And success, as you know, that we grow. Grow means we do something, we get success and we grow higher and higher. So we go forward, right? Whereas before means we go back. So one step back is B and one step ahead is D. From where? C. Clear? So predecessor and successor says that predecessor means before. Now in number form, what is before and after? How you decide it? Like as I told you, one step back and one step ahead you go, then you will get predecessor and successor. That means just one step. So if you are given a number and you are adding one to that number, you will get successor because you are going forward. If you subtract 1 from that number, you will get predecessor because pre means before. Pre means before. So for that, if you want to go back, you have to subtract 1. Clear? And if you want to go forward, you have to add 1 to the number. Let's have an example. For example, I say 100 is there. So what comes before 100? 99. So 99 is a predecessor, whereas 100 is the successor of 99. Clear? And if I say this big number is given, just have a look at this big number. It is, you can clearly see it is our 8-digit number. 8-digit number means 5 crore 21 lakhs 31,421. Same, see, there is no such difference. 5 crore is as it is, 21 lakh is as it is, 31,000 is as it is, 400 even 20 is as it is. Only the difference is of 1. So where you have to add 1 or subtract 1 is from the ones place, that means units place. Rest all the digits will be same. Now here if you say it was 1, so you subtracted 1, means 1 minus 1, 0. Clear? What if it was before only 0? How can you subtract 1 from 0 since it doesn't have anything? So just have a look at here. Since at the units place you can have either of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 0. You can have any of these digits at the units place, that means ones place. If you have 1, to write the predecessor you will subtract 1, no? Predecessor means you will subtract 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 2, clear? 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 4, 6 minus 1 will give you 5. Similarly 7 minus 1 will give you 6, 8 will give you 7, 9 will give you 8. But what if it is already 0? How can you subtract 1 from 0? So what you will write, if you just see to it, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 to 0. It is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So what will come here? See, 1, 2, 3, it reaches here 0. And we are starting here from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is left here? It will come 9. Now you will say already it has 0. How can 9 be there if I subtract? Just have a look at here. For example, I have 20. Clear? And I want to write the predecessor of it. And to write predecessor, as you know, you have to subtract 1. How do you subtract? You take 1 from the neighboring digit, that means from tens place. What is left here? 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and this one as it is. So see, here is 9. When you have 0 at the units place, you will write 9. So you don't have to subtract 1 and then write the full number. Simply you keep all digits as it is, like they are kept here, just change the ones place. And this is the trick. If it is 1, 0, 2, 1, just 1 less. The trick comes here. If it is 0, simply write 9 at the units place and subtract 1 from the neighboring number. Right? For example, this was 2-digit number, so you subtracted 1 from the tens place. What if the number is some, say, 3-digit numbers? For example, it is 700. Now here you will write 9. Here also it is 0, no? So you will write 9. अब यहाँ से हम एक निकालेंगे, यानी यूँ समझ लीजिए जो सबसे आगे जाके कहीं पे भी जहाँ 0 के अलावा नंबर दिख रहा है, आपको उसमें से एक कम करना है, बिकॉज जीरोस तो दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग, वो ऑलरेडी 0 है, राइट? सो इट विल बी 6 here. I hope this is clear to you. If it is 0 at any place, ones, tens, actually we are subtracting from ones only. But what if in the tens place, hundreds place, there also 0. So every year you will write 9 and wherever you get the bigger digit bigger than 0, you will subtract 1 from there. Let's have another example. जैसे कि हम बोल सकते हैं और एक बड़ा नंबर ले रहे हैं हम लोग. We are taking say 10 lakh for 44,000. Let's have 0 0 0. Now what? इसकी जगह पे तो it will be 9 9 9. तो हम लोग 1 कहाँ से subtract करेंगे? यहाँ से. So it will be 3 and rest all same. So 10,43,999 will be the predecessor. Clear? So to get the predecessor, you just have to subtract 1 and from the units place, of course. But अगर वो units place पे 0 है, so उसके बगल वाले से, उसके पास वाले से आपको एक कम करना है और उसकी जगह पे 9 लिखना है. Clear? आगे जाके कहीं पे भी आपको बड़ा नंबर मिलता है, वहाँ से आपको एक कम करना है और जहाँ जहाँ 0 है वहाँ पे आपको 9 लिखना है. आई होप दिस इज़ क्लियर टू यू. नाउ चलो फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. सक्सेसर, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बता दिया, सक्सेसर मीन्स to go forward, next, after. Clear? So to get the successor, you will be adding 1 to the number. जैसे कि अभी 100 था, so उसका predecessor 99 था, पर 99 का successor is 100. Clear? It is आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं. If it is 99, then you will say successor is 100 and predecessor is 98. Similarly, if it is 100, you will say predecessor is 99, and what is the successor of 100? 101, because you are adding 1 here. Clear? So you will get 101. Now same, look at here, this is a big number in the sense, I mean, so 8 digit number is there with us. If you see, all the rest of the digits are same, only we have changed the units place, ones place. It is 3 crore 45 lakh 62,718. 3 crore 45 lakh 62,719. We added 1 to this. So here also the same trick goes. Suppose if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 0 at the units place. So to write the successor, you will be adding 1. So 1 will become 2, 2 will become 3, 3 will be 4, 4 will be 5, 5 will be 6, 6 will be 7, 7 will be 8, 8 will be 9, 9 will be 10. Now here the trick is there. Now if it is 10, you cannot write 2 digits at the ones place. So you will simply write 0 there. Wherever it is 9, you will write 0. If you remember, in the predecessor, when it was 0, we were writing 9. So it is just ulta. If it is 9, you will write 0. But if you remember, in that we were subtracting 1 from the neighboring. Here we will give 1 to the neighboring. Because it was 10, right? 9 will become 10. So 1 will be carried forward to the tens place. And obviously, if it is 0, you will 0 plus 1, you will write 1. Clear? For example, if I take an example, say I have 199. As I told you, here it will be 0. What will be here? 0, because wherever 0 was there in the predecessor, you are adding 9s and you are subtracting 1 from the neighboring. Similarly, wherever 9s are there, you will write 0s and you will carry forward 1 to the neighboring one. So it will be 2. If you want to examine it, just see to it. 199. If I add 1 to this, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry forward, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry forward, so 1 plus 1, 2. Clear? Let's take one more bigger example. For example, say 87,909. So here it will be, I have to write successor. So here you won't make 0, right? Just 1. If they are in series, if they are 9s, then only this will be applied, all zeros. But since here it is already 0, so as I told you, 9 will become 0 because 10 and 1 is carry forward here. So it will be 0 plus 1, 1 and 9 as it is, 87 as it is. So the number will be, the successor number will be 87,910. Clear? See, yeah, this is nice thing, like that I remember now. I should remind you of, that is in successor and in predecessor. As I told you, in the predecessor, if there is 0, wherever 0 is there, you will simply put 9, 9, 9 and you will subtract 1 from the neighboring one. But what if 0, in between 2 zeros there is a digit? Then you will not put 9 for all. No, this 0 will be 0 only. Here you will subtract 1. So it will become 19 and rest of all the digits will be same. Similarly, if it is all in sequence 9s, for the predecessor you will write 0, 0, 0, then 1 you will carry forward in the next place. But if the example is like this, so simply 0 you write here and carry forward the number 1 to the next digit, but this 9 will not be changed. Clear? I hope this is clear to you now, the successor and the predecessor. So still, if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.